This BNISE Microscope Kit covers a wide range of magnification from low to very high power, making it suitable for both casual viewing and more detailed study. The all-glass optical elements deliver surprisingly crisp, bright images that help beginners actually see fine details instead of blurry shapes. Dual upper and lower LED illumination lets you examine solid objects like insects as well as thin prepared slides without constantly fiddling with external lights. A solid metal base, angled viewing head, and comfortable monocular design keep the instrument stable on the table and reduce neck and eye fatigue during longer sessions. The bundled accessories, including prepared slides, a phone adapter, and basic lab tools, turn this into a ready-to-use mini-lab for exploring plants, insects, and household samples. Because it combines serious magnification, student-friendly ergonomics, and cordless operation, it works well for home learning, school labs, and curious hobbyists sharing discoveries together.